Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Again with you, Omar from Brasburg Motorsports. Today we have a 2014 Mercedes CLA 250, and we're going to be showing you how to remove or replace the cabin air filter. So let's jump straight to it. All right, here we are in the front passenger area. Our glove box is right up top over here, and right here at the bottom we're going to go ahead and pull the cover or the carpet, and our cabin air filter is right there. That's the cover for it. So to do is just hold on the edge, bring it down, and it will unlatch or unhook these two here, and then you just pull it. Let me see, might need to pull the cover a little bit just to create some space, and that's how I pull it out. Now we have our cabin air filter right there. I'm gonna grab my pick, and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna disconnect that now. Okay, let me make sure you guys could still see, right? Yes. See if I can adjust the camera angle a little bit for you guys. All right, now using your pick, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the cabin air filter placement. Oh my god, look at that. Wow. I just need to pull it a little bit so I can actually grab it, and then you can just pull it, and you make sure you check the direction of the air on the old one to match it, so the airflow, the arrow is moving forward, and that's the shape of it. I don't think whoever installed this last time installed this correctly, so we're gonna go ahead and make sure the new one gets installed properly. All right, this is our new air filter right there. I think the person before us had it installed in the wrong direction, so I was just like playing with it a little bit just to see which direction this actually goes in, and this is the right direction it goes in. So let's go ahead and remove that. It's gonna be a little bit of a pain. You're gonna have to bend it a little bit because Mercedes does not allow to direct installation or a direct position. Come on now. All right, so now that our air filter is installed properly, the one thing I want to mention, so it's like a rectangle, but like it's cut off on one side, and so the smaller side of the filter goes on the right side of the vehicle, and make sure the arrow on the side is pointing towards the front. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab our cover back on here. Let me see if I'm gonna be able to get that installed. All right, basically there's like two hooks on the back where this cover slides, and then there we go, and just like that our cover is back installed. I'm gonna push the rug back in place, and that sums up the job for this video. I will go ahead and then drop the link in the description below for the cabin air filter, so you guys could order it. I'm not sponsored by them, it's just an affiliate link, so I get like a very small percentage off of every sale you guys purchase from any link on my videos to support the channel, so I can keep making videos like these and DIYs for you. So if you guys like the video, make sure to like and follow for more. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section below, and see you next time.